In today's video, I'm going to teach you Patreon for beginners. If you're setting up Patreon for the first time, the goal is to create a page that looks professional, explains what you offer, and gives potential supporters a clear reason to join. We'll start by setting up your page and making sure the foundation is in place before adding memberships and content. First, fill in the basic information for your creator page. Upload a clear profile picture, ideally at 1024 by 1024 pixels, so it displays nicely across the platform. Choose an image that feels recognizable and professional, since this will often be the first thing people notice. Then write a short description or byline that explains your creative work. Keep it simple, specific, and easy to understand. It also helps if the wording includes terms people would naturally associate with your content, because that makes your page more immediately clear. Next, move on to branding. Choose a custom URL in the format of patreon.com/your name or brand name. This makes your page easier to share and easier for supporters to remember. After that, upload a strong cover image and select accent colors that match your brand. These details may seem small, but they help your page feel complete and cohesive, which builds trust right away. You'll also want to make sure your account follows Patreon's identity rules. In this case, that means your personal profile and creator profile should be merged into a single user identity if the platform requires it. This is important for keeping your account properly structured and avoiding confusion later as you manage your page. Once the page setup is done, you can focus on creating tiers and content. Start by defining your membership levels. For example, you might offer one level at $3 per month and another at $5 per month. For each tier, clearly explain the perks supporters will get. That could include early access to content, exclusive videos, or community chats. The key here is clarity. People should instantly understand what they receive at each level and why one tier is different from another. Before inviting people to subscribe, publish your first posts. A welcoming public post works well, or you can create a couple of starter pieces that show immediate value. This gives visitors something to look at right away and makes the page feel active instead of empty. Finally, if it fits your workflow, connect integrations like Discord or Spotify. These can help automate supporter benefits such as role assignments or synced audio access and make your membership experience smoother. With those pieces in place, your Patreon page will be set up in a clear, beginner-friendly way and ready for supporters to join.